Welcome. My name is Collins, and today we are going to do a certain mathematical question. So let's go direct to the question. So the question says that find the distance between the centers of two circles given by the equations. The first equation is x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 4y plus 4 equals to 0. And the second equation is x squared plus y squared minus 22x plus 16y plus 8 equals to 0. Now, what you have been determined to find is the distance between the two centers of the two circles. So imagine you have your first circle here, and you have another circle here. Sorry, I may not be good at drawing. Now, you have been told to determine the distance between the two circles. The distance between the two circles. So, this kind of a question is on a topic called equation of a circle. So, what we will have to do is, let's name our first circle A, and let's name our second circle B. And we name the first equation A, and we name the second equation B. Then from there, we are going to determine the coordinates of each center. The coordinates of the center of the first circle, the coordinates of the center of the second circle. So let's start with A. Let's get the coordinates of the center of the first circle, which is A. So A, equation yake, obvious the equations, the center coordinates which we are going to get should be in form of y, x and y. Okay, so the equation is x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 4y plus 4 equals to 0. For us to determine the center, we first of all group the like terms. So x squared minus 6x plus y squared minus 4y, then you take this value on the other side, so it will be equals to 4. When it comes to the other side, it becomes minus 4. Okay, so then remember the formula, x minus a divided by 2 squared plus x minus b all over 2 squared. Okay, so take your x minus the value of a, it is 6, divided by 2, 3 squared plus x, this is y, sorry, y minus the value of b is 4, divided by 2 is 2 squared equals to negative 4. For you to get the coordinates of the center, you take this value and this one, but remember, this is the most important part. You change the sign. It is negative 3, so it will be positive 3 and positive 2. Those are the coordinates of the center of the first circle, which is A. Now let's find the coordinates of the center of the second equation, which represents circle B, and we named it B. So it is x squared plus y squared minus 22x plus 16y plus 88 equals to 0. The same case, group the like terms. So x squared minus 22x plus y squared plus 16y, then take this value to the other side, it becomes minus 88 or negative 88. Then the same here, you say x equals to this value divided by 2, it will become 11 squared plus take y plus 16 divided by 2 is 8 squared equals to negative 88. Now take these values, but remember you change the sign. It is negative 11, so it will be positive 11, while this one is positive 8. It's going to change to negative 8. So we have the coordinates of the center of the first circle, which is 3, 2, and we have the coordinates of the center of the second circle, or B, which is 11, negative 8. So after getting the coordinates of this, each circle center is 3, 2. The other one is 11 and negative 8. You find the distance now between the center of the first circle and the distance between the center of the second circle. Now this is how you do it. You say that 3 minus 11 squared plus 2 plus 8 squared. Now, why are you doing that? You are taking x1. What is your x1? x1 is 3 minus x2 is 11. y1 is 2 minus y2 is negative 8. So 2 minus minus becomes positive 8. Okay, don't forget to square. So this will be distance equals to, this will be minus 8 squared plus 2 plus 8, 10 squared. Then this will be distance equals to, remember a negative number when it is squared, it becomes a positive number. So it will be 8 squared, it is 64, plus 10 square is 100. So distance equals to 164. The root of 164 is distance equals to 12.81. So you say that it is 12.81 what units. So thank you and welcome to the next video.